This is the 4th grade Lesson 2 worksheet. Mental addition and subtraction. Find the sum without paper or pencil. Number 1. 15 plus 2 is 17. Number 2. 8 plus 6 is 14. So you put a 4. You carry the 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. So the answer is 84. Number 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. You carry the 1. 3 plus 7 plus 1 is 11. So the answer is 110. Number 4. You add the ones place. 8 plus 4 is 12. You carry the 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. Number 5. 9 plus 10 plus 11. You add the ones place. 9 plus 0 plus 1 is 10. You carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 30. Number 6. 12 plus 23 plus 31. First, you add the ones place. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 66. Number 7. 5 plus 87 plus 15. You add the ones place. 5 plus 7 plus 5 is 17. You carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10. 10, and then you carry the 1. So the answer was 107. Number 8. 78 plus 23 plus 86. Add the ones places. 8 plus 3 plus 6 is 17. You carry the 1. 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 18. Carry the 1 and put it in the front. So the answer is 187. Find the difference without paper or pencil. Number 1. 20 minus 10 is just 10. Number 2. 25 minus 20 is 5. Number 3. You subtract the ones place. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So you put down 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 15. Number 4. You're just subtracting 12 by the same number. So number 4 is just 0. Number 5. You can't subtract 1 minus 3. So you have to borrow 10 from the tens place of 31. So the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And then the 3 in 31 becomes 20. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is just 8. Number 6. 115 minus 12. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 103. Number 7. 132 minus 29. You can't subtract 2 minus 9, so you have to borrow 10 from 3. So the 2 becomes 12. And the 3 becomes a 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer for number 7 is 103. Number 8. 143 minus 54. So you can't subtract 3 minus 4, so you have to borrow 10 from 4. So 4 becomes 3, and the 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 5 you can't do, so you have to borrow 10 from the hundreds place. So 4 becomes 14 and the 1 becomes 0. 14 minus 5 is 8. So the answer for number 8 is 89. Estimation. Round to the nearest thousand to estimate the answer. Number 1. 4,234 plus 3,129. 4,234 rounds to 4,000 because 2 is less than 5. So everything after 4 becomes a 0. And then 3,129 becomes 3,000 because again, 1 is less than 5, so everything after the 3 becomes zeros. 4,000 plus 3,000 is 7,000, so the answer for number 1 is 7,000. Number 2, 2,569 plus 1,342. So for 2,569, it rounds to 3,000 plus 1,000 because this is less than 5. 3,000 plus 1,000 is 4,000. So the answer for number 2 is 4,000. Number 3, 7,501 plus 783. 7,501 rounds up to 8,000. And 783 rounds to 1,000. So 8,000 plus 1,000 is 9,000. Number 4, 3,634 plus 6,123. 3,634 rounds up to 4,000, and 6,123 rounds down to 6,000. So the answer for number 4 is 10,000. Number 5, 4,845 plus 3,807. This rounds up to 5,000, and 3,807 rounds up to 4,000. 5,000 plus 4,000 is 9,000. Number 6, 96,194 plus 57,528. 96,194 rounds to 96,000, and 57,528 rounds to 58,000. You add those two together and then you get 154,000. Number 7, 93,754 plus 690. This rounds to 94,000, and then 690 rounds to 1,000. 94,000 plus 1,000 is 95,000. Number 8, 73,460 plus 96,194. This rounds to 73,000 plus this rounds to 96,000. And then you add those two together, which is 169,000. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Number 1. If Jackson had 1,328 video games, Clarice has 2,189, and Walter has 649. Estimate how many video games they have by rounding to the nearest thousand, hundreds, and tens. So for part A, you can round the amount of video games that Jackson has to 1,000, and then this to 2,000, and the amount that Walter has to 1,000. You add these all up and then you get 4,000 video games. Part B, you have to round to the nearest hundreds place. Jackson has an estimated amount of 1,300 video games. Clarice has 2,200 video games, and Walter has 600 video games. 1,300 plus 2,200 plus 600 is 4,100 video games. Part C, they're asking you to round to the nearest tens place. So this becomes, it rounds up to 1,330 plus 2,190 plus 650, which is 4,170 video games. Number 3. Mr. Johnson is 69 inches tall. He then grows 9 inches taller. He then shrinks by 3 inches. How tall is Mr. Johnson at the very end of all the height changing? So he starts off as being 69 inches tall, and then he grows 9 inches, so 69 plus 9, and then after that he then shrinks by 9 inches, so you subtract 3. First you should solve this. 69 plus 9 is 78, and then you do 78 minus 3, which is 75 inches tall.